Hey guys, it's TechRan here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable XMP or set the RAM speed for your RAM for your new PC build. Today, I just built myself a new PC using DDR5 memory with 64 gigabytes at 6000 megahertz. And today, I thought I'd show you the steps in order to enable XMP or set your RAM speed so you get the most value out of your memory. So if we go to Task Manager here on our computer, you can actually see in Performance under RAM, I'm only getting 48 megahertz, which is the default frequency for actual DDR5 memory. So we want to make this from 4800 to 6000 altogether, or whatever your RAM speed actually is. So the first thing we're going to need to do is the following. We're going to have to right click on our Windows icon and go to shutdown or sign out and click restart. And once you click restart your computer, you should just be resetting. And then what you want to do on your keyboard is mash in the delete key until you actually load into the actual BIOS. Okay, you can see right there it says click the delete key or a different key to actually access the BIOS. Now that we're in the Asus BIOS, if you want to enable XMP, all you have to do is go to this X icon and click enable, or you can actually just set your RAM speed manually. So if you enable this and your PC doesn't work, try the other step, because honestly I've noticed that XMP is not very stable sometimes. So if you want to get access to your memory frequency, set it manually, all you have to do is go to the bottom right here and go to advanced mode, and from advanced mode you'll be this whole area here. You'll have access to a few things like my favorites, main, and AI Twinker. You just want to mess with this one right here, and you want to open this on up. Once you open this on up, you'll have access to a few different things. The thing we want to look for is the memory actual frequency, and we want to switch this from actually auto to the speed we want. So I know I have 6000 megahertz, so I want to scroll down until I see 6000. Once I find the 6000 megahertz, I want to select that, and once we have that, we're good to go. So the next thing we want to do is go to the exit. And from exit, all we want to do is click actually save changes and reset, and this will change our values from default to actually 6000 megahertz, so we get the maximum value out of our memory. And you just do the exact same setup for your actual RAM you actually bought for yourself. Now your PC might take a second to reset, so just gonna give it a minute. Now that our PC has booted up perfectly good, all we want to do to check if our memory is the right frequency is we want to look up Task Manager, of course, on our computer, go back to Performance on actual computer here, and then what we do is our memory right here, and you can actually see the speed now is from 4800 is 6000 megahertz. But that's how you enable XMP or set your RAM speed on your computer. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed to me for future tech content. I'll see you one. TechRant out.